Welcome with Cooking with R. Today, we started cooking something and making something. Today, we need these ingredients. I know.
What are you cooking?
Oh, I'm not cooking anything today. And I'm making a drink. Ink. I'm making a drink. First, let's grab a cup. First, grab a cup. Then, put down your cup. Then, add your ingredients. First we need is what the Capri Sun says.
Okay.
Strawberry. Strawberry. First we need strawberry kiwi. How do you pronounce it?
Kiwi.
Strawberry kiwi. Then put it. I'm putting it back on the straw. First, put your strawberry kiwi inside. Eat good. And you still. And done pulling it in. I'll advise you drink into the rest of it.
You advise them, huh?
Yeah. Now, and use pineapple. Get pineapple and what does that one says? Cooler.
ER sound makes what?
Oh,
Cooler.
Pineapple cooler. Then do the same with pineapple cooler. And we don't need a lot of it, but we still needed Fanta.
Not the fan,
Dad, I'm making a drink.
Not the fan.
Add some Fanta in, and maybe give it some bless the bubbles, and bam, our drink is done. No. Now, we made our own drink, and it's just orange. It looks like it looks like a Fanta, but the green I added is definitely not a Fanta. So, yeah, that's it for the show, and yeah, bye bye. See you to episode 4.